Ngeke ngizwe ke abanye bathi banenkinga ukuthi bayacabanga bafuna ukuyeka ukucabanga. Lalela ngikutshele, you cannot stop doing what you are not doing. Awucabangi nje nhlobo. It's not you who is thinking. It's your mind that is thinking, but you are aware of your mind thinking. Yabo? So how can you stop doing what you are not doing? That is why kungenzeki. There's only one thing you can stop doing. You can stop giving attention to those thoughts. That's how you stop thinking. Once you stop giving attention to those thoughts, where are you going to put the attention to? In the present moment, in the now. Because you cannot forfeit attention from your thoughts or from your mind and then you put it nowhere. You have to put it somewhere. You have to be present. So if you say wena there's indaba uhlezi ucabanga lezi zinto ezikanje thanona indaba uhlezi aware of your mind thinking these things. You are not responsible ukuthi ingqondo yakho icabangani. You are not responsible of that. But your responsibility yakho ilile kuthenini, what do you do about what you are aware of in your mind? Wenzani ngalokho? Ingqondo yakho mikutshela lokhu uyakubelieve ukuthi is that you. Ngalesi sikhathi ubingele lo changes akhasha uthi ngenzana noma yini, noma inini noma kanjani kunoma ubani ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ucabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona, beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli uyabona. So you are not responsible ukuthi what is the next thought that your mind is going to populate. That's not your responsibility. But your responsibility is what you do about that. It's what you do about that. If you believe it, then that will be your reality. Because ingakutshela ukuthi we are terrible, lento ukwazi ukuyenza kahle. And then if you believe that, then that's your own reality. That's your own reality because you have decided to believe your mind. But at the same time, if you are aware enough, you are not that mind. You are the awareness behind. You can just decide not to engage with that, not to believe it. Just be aware of it and do nothing about it. Because it's not you who is thinking. It's your mind, but you are aware of that. So you have a choice whether you want to believe it or not. So you believe what you want to believe. Based on what your mind is telling you. What your mind is thinking. So when you choose, yours is the choice. So how do you stop thinking? As I've said, by taking the attention back to the present moment. Because imicabango yakho iphilisa ukuthi wena we are aware of them. So iphilisa ilokho. If you suffocate them attention, they cease to exist. So first you have to be aware that your mind is thinking. It's not you who is thinking, it's your mind. You have to be aware of that because you are not your mind. You see? Secondly, you are the one who decides to give the attention to the thoughts and believe them. You can just watch them and stop engaging with them. Watch them like the clouds in the sky passing, like cars in freeway. On freeway rather. Makudlula imoto freeway, there's no need for you to step in front of the car, but you just let them pass like that. So once you step in front of the car in freeway, what is going to happen? It's going to hit you so badly. So you are being used, and you are a slave of your thoughts because you give them attention and you believe what your thoughts is telling you. So your emotions will keep on rising and falling because you say, okay, yes, this is me, I love this one, this is not me, I hate this one. So your emotion keeps on going up, going down, going up. You are happy, you are sad, you are happy, you are sad, based on those thoughts that are being populated. So because why this happens? because your mind is addicted to thinking, and your body is addicted to feeling. So there are certain thoughts repeatedly. There are certain repeated thoughts, you see. There are certain repeated thoughts that your body or that your mind is addicted to because they satisfy how your body feels. So just like maybe you'll think about maybe there is a loan that you are about to finish, and then after that you are going to buy a car, right? So your mind will like to replay those thoughts, or that thought rather would like to replay that thought because it makes you feel happy every time. So that's dopamine hits that you get from those thoughts or from that thought is the one that your body is addicted to. Abanye ke ba addicted ngoba addicted umzimba uba addicted endleleni ofila ngayo wena. Kodwa abantu aba addicted ekufileni ubuhlungu, yabo, i-thought pattern yonke leyo njalo. I-thought pattern yabona into ethi silwane wena i-entity, it's a thought pattern, indlela wena ocabanga ngayo ekwenza uzizwe ngendlela ethile bese wenza into ethile bese ureceive ama results athile. Uyayizwa loo nto? So that thought pattern makes you feel a certain way, right? That thought pattern will make you feel a certain way because your body is addicted to that. Yabo, when a group of thoughts are similar, this makes you feel a certain way. Yabo, so bakhona ke people that are addicted to a negative feeling. Yabo, ngoba that's what they are used to. That's what they are used to. Ukuthi okay vele ukuba blaming nokuzizwa helpless nokuthi nje vele ngiyaqhashazwa zonke lezo zinto ezami izinto you replay these thought patterns. You constantly repeat these thought patterns because they make you feel a certain way, yabo, and that certain way is the same way that will attract that reality, yabo. Khona abantu nje ba addicted ukuthi vele into zami mina ihambe kahle, iyona ndlela leyo ajwayele ukuzizwa ngayo, yabo, vele mina izinto they against me. That one, it's a thought pattern that will attract the reality, and when now you need to be aware of that because we are not the thought, but when now you just decide to own the thought that your mind is populating for you. Come back at first. Get sure. So you just decide to replay and own those thoughts. That's not the case. That's not what you're supposed to do. Don't own the thoughts because it's not your responsibility. Your mind, you don't even know which thoughts your mind is going to populate in the next 1 minute or 5 minutes. You don't know. But you will keep on engaging with them. You are owning them. No, they are not yours. You can just watch them and observe them. Let them be.